torn from a bite. What do you mean she just scratched her?
No.
There's scratch and then there's scratch, isn't there? Did you have to get a rabies shot?
No, a tetanus shot.
A tetanus shot?
But we didn't
Does
know.
the dog have his shots as it turned out?
Yes.
No, the dog had expired shots, right? It's current.
But it was not my dog.
Something to you, Inspector Clouseau, okay? And that's my dog does not cut it, okay? That's not how it works. If you're taking care of the dog, you're responsible for the dog. That includes being sure that the dog has current rabies shots. And as it turns out, after investigation, you find out from animal control that the dog doesn't have current rabies shots. They had expired 3 years ago, right? Or 2011.
2010.
2010, 3 years ago.
I do.
Who knows? It doesn't matter. Because this is just scratch to you. She went to the emergency room. I mean, she didn't lose her limb. That's true.
Go get it. Go
Do
get
you
it.
want that?
I do see the
You want a dog to do that to you? Yes or no?
No, I
Do
don't.
you want a dog to do that to you? You got me. You picking up what I'm putting down, right? Okay. Well, it's worth something. It may not be worth $6,000. Ouch. Why did she say this is nothing?
I do not see. I only saw a scratch.
Here's what we're gonna do. Bring those over here and have her sit through all of it. Tell me about the pain.
Okay.
What hurt more, the dog bite?